Hello everybody. So today's this video is on Windmill's plateau and a heavenly waterfall place. So all the windmills which you will see in this video are located at Sadavaghapur plateau, Taluka, Patan district, Satara at Maharashtra. This plateau is spread over a very large area. If you look at it like that now, windmills can be seen almost everywhere in Satara district. So this is a huge windmill which provides electricity to the village. You all know. And look at this beauty and amazing attractive nature. This nature is very peaceful here. One must at least visit it once. And these all are waterfalls. This is a waterfall. Actually, this is a stream waterfall, and the water here comes from the stream, comes from the mountains. This is totally purified and very nutritious. All the minerals are here, and even one can drink this without any purification. This place is very cool, very beautiful, and this waterfall is located near Jyotiba Mandir, Jyotiba temple. And just look at this view. Wow. So on the way to the Jyotiba in Zarva village, this waterfall in the mountain ranges, a very heavenly place. So I'll just like to tell, keep exploring and discovering new. Thank you.